Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. It's actually been a while since I've been I'll take that again. So it's actually been a while since I've been on YouTube. I dropped a few videos and then kind of like disappeared. And the main reason for that is I just wanted to take some time out to relax. You know, when you go for a period where you think, like life was good, but it could have been better. So what things could I have done? So I kind of been working in the background to try and make some changes, not just like for blog and YouTube and stuff, but even like just changing scenery, even jobs and everything. So yeah, I'm starting a new job soon. Very excited about that. Okay, so let's also talk about some newness. I've got some new hair. This is a wig that my friend made for me. I'll leave her details down below, but it's Elle's Hair and Beauty. She's really good. She's the one that does all of my hair for like the past couple of years now, actually. And yeah, can't complain. Was it last week? And everyone literally was like, Tasha, is that you? Like literally no one recognized me. I've literally been rocking and forcing this middle part since like 2009 or something crazy like that. So it's been a very long time since I've had a side part, and then I've gone jet black. I literally had blonde hair for the longest time. And yeah, and another new thing is I've been wearing red lipstick a lot, and I think it's to do with the hair, because you can't really do coloured lipstick when you have blonde hair without looking like Ronald McDonald, if you know what I mean. So yeah, so I'm obsessed with this. So let me know your thoughts, because I've been searching for the perfect red lipstick, considering that I'm dark skin as well. But anyway guys, so I'm back again today with a little luxury haul. Obviously there's not loads of items in this haul just because it is all luxury items. They are over a certain value. So these are items that I've collected over Christmas and January, and some bits were in sale and some other bits. So I just basically went shopping on Farfetch and Net-a-Porter mainly. Yeah, just those two places. But yeah, anyway, so I just wanted to show you some things that I'm getting really into at the moment, which is very in this season. Lots of leopard print. So warning, there's going to be a lot of leopard print on my blog. So yeah, anyway, let's get into the actual video and what you guys have actually clicked here to see. So first up, we have these Alexander McQueen trainers. They actually come in this grey box, and I've actually worn these already, by the way, just because when I got them I just couldn't stop myself. So they are looking a little bit tatty, so they are looking a little bit worn, but this is what they look like. They are, I think these are called the exaggerated heeled trainers. So I got these in this rose gold color, and it's got the Alexander McQueen logo just on the back there, and it's got these chunky laces which I love, and yeah, these literally go with everything, and I absolutely love them. I do need to wash them actually. I've got some trainer cleaner that someone has recommended, just because I actually did spill red wine on them. I went to go and see Black Panther with Pillar, and I'm saying Pillar like you guys know her, but she's my friend. You'll probably see her quite a few times. Actually, she's in my Cuba vlog. You'll know her from my Cuba vlog. She's the one that was causing trouble, and she was doing the same again at the cinema. Anyway, by asking for fancy things and stuff like that. But yeah, so there are a few red wine stains actually still left on the actual trainer, but they look like they'll come off. So yeah, I will wash those. So that's what they look like. There's the other pair. So you can see, I feel like these are going to be very popular, so don't be surprised if you see a lot of people in these, because these retail for about £360, so it's not too expensive. They're much cheaper than the Gucci trainers that everyone was obsessed with. They do come with this nice grey dust bag, which they recommend that you keep the trainers in, because you know, after a while white trainers and white rubber sole kind of oxidize a bit and start to go yellow. So yeah, those are that. And the other good thing is, which I forgot to mention, is, sorry, because the laces are so unique, because they are quite thick, they do come with a spare pair, which I love. But I'm going to try and wash those ones first before using these. But yeah, so those are my Alexander McQueen exaggerated sole trainers, and I picked these up from Net-a-Porter. Next up, my first leopard print item is this roll neck top. You can't really see it properly, but yeah, it rolls up like this. This is actually like a sheared material, and I picked this up from Ganni. I love Ganni. Ganni's been a brand that I've been eyeing up for like over a year now, and never really bought anything from there. Why, I'm not sure, but I don't know. But when I saw this leopard print stuff, I love print, fur, gold, all that jazz. And I just like, I died when I saw this, because I was like, I need it. And I actually managed to pick this up in the Net-a-Porter sale. So this was originally £90. I actually picked this up for about £60. This goes really well when you style it with like blue jeans. I prefer it. I have worn it with black, but I feel like it's a bit cliche, and of course it looks gorgeous against red. I like the sheared detail of the actual top, so it's kind of like see-through, so it's not actually too hot to wear, so you can still wear it in spring, but it does have an extra layer in the front part, so your boobs or your bra is not on show, shall I say. And yeah, so that is that top from Ganni. Next up, again, another leopard print number, and again from Ganni, is this beautiful floor length dress. Again, when I saw this, I actually died, just because, you know what, buying leopard print can either go very left or very right. You could look like you're doing fancy dress, or you can look like really fashionable. So I feel like getting the right print is key, and I think Ganni really hit the nail on the head with this. So this is like 100% silk. It comes with a waist belt just here, and it's buttoned all the way down, but it does stop just above the knee area, so you can get a little leg cleavage as you walk. And I just love this, just because like it was quite expensive. I don't usually buy ready to wear luxury like clothing. I mainly stick to accessories like shoes and bags usually, but I actually did have a voucher to spend at Farfetch, and this was the only place that actually had my like size available. And the reason why I love this is because you can literally wear it like a proper dress, or you can wear it as a duster coat. It looks good with heels. I've seen people wear it with like trainers, and it still looks really, really good. And I can't lie, like I love it. Like, I don't know what else to say about this other than this is like amazing. And I've literally banned myself from buying any more leopard print as well, especially from Ganni, just because I've already got 2 things and I don't want to bore everybody. But yeah, so that was the dress item that I got in this haul. I think they still have this available, so I'll link any place that still has this dress down below in the description box. Moving on to accessories. Now, if you follow me on any of my social media, or even on my blog, which is stylingandsass.com, you guys would have seen me with these. They even need a bit of a clean. One minute. These are I have just arrived glasses, and these are from Le Specs. I picked these up from Net-a-Porter, and the reason why I love these sunglasses is not only is the cat eye like such like a nice flattering sassy kind of shape, they are very affordable. They are literally I think these retail for about £75, so these definitely won't break the bank. If you're looking for like a nice luxury pair of sunglasses to wear, they do come in this really gorgeous box with red lining in it, and obviously with the dust cloth as well. Very sturdy for keeping it in your bag. I've bought more expensive sunglasses and they come in like flimsy cases, so I've even started using these for some of those sunglasses, and this is just really nice. These are called the Last Lolita, So yeah, you would have seen this quite a bit on my Insta stories when I'm out and about, because I literally wear them almost every day. I literally told myself, Tash, give these a break, because just give it a break. And then finally we have, I'm not sure why I wrapped this up again, but okay. Yeah, here we go. Finally we have this belt, which is from Off-White. It's very long, so I'm gonna just have to show you a section of it. It's, I think it's called the industrial belt. It looks like an industrial belt, and it comes with this gold buckle. Again, this is another product I'd been eyeing up for months last year, and it literally sold out everywhere. But I'm kind of glad that I didn't buy it when I saw it, just because the original one, the buckle, I believe, was plastic, which obviously if that broke, I don't even know. So yeah, so I'm quite glad that it's come out again with this silver metal buckle instead. It is a Marmite piece. You either love it or you hate it. And just because it doesn't, actually, in my opinion, I think this literally goes with everything. Like, it goes with a bit of denim. I've worn it over a trench coat, you know, and I actually really like this. It's not something that men understand. Someone told me I look like a crime scene. Someone else said I look like a walking construction site. Even my friends, like Pella, even, I think she was like, Tasha, are you wearing a safety belt? I swear that's the belt you wear on a plane. And I was like, yes. So yeah, it is one of those things, but I absolutely love it because it's such a statement. It literally goes with anything and everything, because you just put it on anything and everything to be that statement. I really like wearing this over blazer jackets at the moment. I think it looks really good that way. And then also wearing it across like trench coats and stuff like that. So yeah, so that is this item. And this belt, I believe, retails for about £140, and I got this from Net-a-Porter. Okay guys, so that was it for my haul. I hope you guys liked the items that I picked up. If you follow me on social media, you'll see me wear and style these. I would have inserted some cutaways if possible within this video. If you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up, and I would love to have you back here again, so please hit the subscribe button. All the links for the items will be in the description box below, and I hope to see you guys here again soon. I'm going to play around with some upload times, so yeah, you might see this video coming out on a Wednesday or a Sunday. I haven't quite decided yet, but anyway, I hope you guys have a lovely day and a fruitful week ahead.